Geddon boys, welcome back to Jonny Cooks Devon. This week we're going to talk about pasties. We're talking proper pasties, not that classic pasty that everyone thinks comes from Cornwall. We're doing proper Devon pasties. It's recorded in the history books. We have been making them here in Devon 200 years longer than any recipe that's been recorded in Cornwall. So let's crack on and show you how to make some proper pasties. So 6 ingredients: chunky diced Devon beef, 1 onion, 1 potato, 1 swede, 1 egg. Don't drop it on the floor. And one important ingredient that I forgot, boys and girls, is some lovely pre-made short crust pastry. So just got to peel them, roughly chop them, want them slightly smaller than the beef so they cook out evenly, and then we're good to go. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take these raw, simple ingredients, we're going to keep it really simple, we're going to put them in a bowl, mix them together, season them, salt, lots of black pepper, keep it classic pasty, no nasty. So the real difference between Devon pasty and a Cornish pasty, apart from the prehistoric records, difference is we do it proper. We crimp the top, they crimp the side. Let's learn how to crimp a pasty. Pinch the tops, pinch the sides all the way along, keep it nice and tight, and then follow your finger, crimps on top. Go on boys, so as you can see, not all pasties end up looking the same. Have a look at these. The more you practice, the better they'll be. I'm sure you can tell the difference between 1, 2 and 3.
And 4.
And 4. So what we're going to do now is we're going to egg wash them, give them a nice shiny glaze, nice extra bit of crisp on top. We're going to put them in the oven, about 180, 190 degrees. Going to bake them for about 25, 30 minutes, and then they're going to be proper banging Devon pasties. So we've had 35 minutes in the oven, a little bit longer than I expected, but the pastry's golden, crispy, it'll be nice and moist and chewy on the inside, tender beef, tender veg. Cut one of these pasties open and see how proper they are. Beautiful, steamy veg, nice and tender beef, crispy pastry, soft on the inside. Proper Devon pasties. Bingo. Proper Devon pasties, done right, simple ingredients, proper techniques. Subscribe, like, and see you next time on Jonny Cooks Devon.
Da-dum-ba-da-ba-da-ba, da-da-do, da-doodle-doodle-doo.